Hello lovely people, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. You know as well as I do that cloves and rosemary combined together are a marvelous combo for hair growth and also for the general well-being of our hair and scalp. So I found a way to incorporate it in every step of my wash day and I really loved it. I'm almost certain that you're also going to love this, so I really hope you do. If you're interested in seeing how I did it, how I went about it, then please continue watching. The very first step on this wash day is a Prepoo, and for that we are going to do a clove and rosemary hot oil treatment. First, let us go ahead and prepare the oil. So to do that, I am measuring 2 tablespoons of cloves and putting them in a mortar. Because they are harder, I go ahead to pound them first before adding in 2 tablespoons of dry rosemary leaves. After adding the dry rosemary leaves, I go ahead to pound and mix them together, and when I'm comfortable with the grains that I have, I will add an oil. I made use of a cup of olive oil, and please, you can use any oil that is your favorite or the one that is available to you. So go ahead and add the oil and vigorously mix it well. Then go ahead and transfer that into a heat resistant container because we are going to heat this in a double boiler. That is just what I'm doing here. I heated this in a double boiler for about 30 minutes to make sure that the ingredients are properly infused in the oil. The clove and rosemary properties are properly infused in the oil. Then I went on to strain it. I made use of this strainer and I added a cotton fiber beneath it such that my oil will be very clean at the end. Notice how dirty the piece of cotton fiber is, and this is the oil that I collected at the end. It is very clean. I still went on to add a few drops of lavender essential oil and also a few drops of peppermint essential oil to make it more stronger. But it's okay if you don't have these essential oils or if you don't like them. It's okay to use the oil the way it is. If you do add the essential oil, mix well and your oil is ready. Go ahead and put it in an applicator bottle or in something that will make application easier for you. That's what I'm doing here. And to keep this oil warm throughout the process of application, I kept it in a cup of hot water. Alright, good people, let us go ahead and do the Prepoo. Guys, look at my hair. It's super matted and I need something to mist it so that I can easily work on it without breaking the hair. For that, I am going to make use of clove and rosemary water. To prepare the spray, I measured a tablespoon of cloves and a tablespoon of rosemary leaves. I put them all in a pot. Then I add about a cup of water and bring it to a boil. I let it boil for about 8 minutes, and after which I strained the water. Notice that I cooked this alongside the oil, so I was not doing one thing at a time. I just planned it in such a way that by the time I'm using the water on my hair, it will be warm and also the oil will still be warm. Spraying warm clove and rosemary water on my hair will help to soften the hair and help me to grab workable portions without necessarily breaking my hair. It's also going to help open my hair cuticles since the water is warm and make the hair receptive to the products that we're going to apply hereafter. So the Prepoo entails spraying the hair with warm clove and rosemary water, generously applying the clove and rosemary oil, working that in the hair, applying it on the scalp, then combing the section and putting it in a twist. Hot oil treatments help to reduce frizz and flyaways. They also help with dandruff and they make the hair strand stronger and they repair damaged hair. They equally protect the hair from future breakage. They help to add shine to the hair. And recently I am such a great fan of oil treatments. After coating my entire hair with the clove and rosemary oil, I went on to cover my hair with a plastic bag. I left that on for 1 hour, and after 1 hour I went on to wash my hair. I made use of the clove and rosemary shampoo. The lighting in my bathroom is so terrible. I'm yet to figure out a way around it. But I had to show you this. See how my clove and rosemary shampoo lathers so well. First of all, let me show you how I prepared it. So to prepare this, I added a tablespoon of cloves and a tablespoon of rosemary to a pot that contained what was left from the spray. I also added a tablespoon of flax seeds to help make our shampoo thicker. Then I added about a cup of water, and then I brought that to a boil. I let that boil on the low heat for close to 10 minutes, after which I strained the jelly liquid. Alright, this is what we have, and now it's time to add a few other things. The next thing I'm adding is a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps in cleansing the hair, restoring shine. It helps to relieve itch, and it also helps to encourage hair growth. Next, I'm adding African black soap, dissolved African black soap. I dissolved it in a little amount of warm water. And yes, if you don't want to use African black soap, you can go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of your regular shampoo, and you're good to go. Mix everything well, and your shampoo is ready. Just go ahead and transfer it into a bottle. And please, when you make the shampoo, do not make in larger quantities, because we made use of all natural ingredients. We are not adding any preservative to it. So just make as much as you're going to use at a time. Then go ahead and use your shampoo to wash your hair. The next step after shampoo is conditioning. This time around, I deep conditioned my hair. Whenever I do that, I don't use a regular conditioner. And since we are incorporating clove and rosemary in every step of today's wash day, I made use of this Mega Cool deep conditioner. I have here an empty cup that I had used before, and then I have this new one that I bought. So I just measured the quantity which I felt would be okay for the day. I measured it and I put in the empty cup. Then I went on to add the clove and rosemary oil which we prepared earlier, and I just mixed everything up. After mixing properly, I generously applied the deep conditioner in all the sections of my hair, and I worked that in. I combed the hair. Oh, look at that. My hair is so soft after applying the deep conditioner, and after coating every section of my hair with the deep conditioner, I put it in a twist, and I go ahead and cover my hair with a plastic bag. I left this deep conditioner in my hair for up to 30 minutes, after which I went on to rinse it with water. After rinsing with normal water, I made use of the clove and rosemary water which we prepared earlier to do a final rinse. I am so sorry I failed to produce a video report of that. And after that, I am just going to apply my leave-in conditioner, my clove and rosemary leave-in conditioner. What I'm doing is taking a generous amount of it and applying it on each section each of the sections that I've been working in, such that at the end my entire hair is coated in the leave-in conditioner. After that, I just go ahead to put my hair into cornrows. But first, let me show you how I prepared the leave-in conditioner. So I made use of Cantu leave-in conditioner as the base, and I just measured 2 tablespoons of it and put in a different container. After that, I am just adding 2 tablespoons of the clove and rosemary oil, which we earlier prepared. I'm just adding it, and I'm just going to mix it well. Tell you what, when I use this on my hair, I no longer have to make use of an oil to seal in moisture in my hair, because this product is like a 2-in-1 combo. It's like a 2-in-1 product, so I just apply it and I don't have to use any oil to seal moisture in my hair again. In the course of mixing, I felt like I still needed to add a tablespoon of the clove and rosemary oil, and that's just what I did. Then I just went on to mix well. After mixing everything, this is our leave-in conditioner. It looks so yummy and it's so healthy. So I just go ahead, apply it on my hair as you've seen earlier. Then I put my hair into cornrows. And after everything, this is the clove and rosemary oil that we have left. I'm going to use it as my scalp oil to keep the scalp moisturized for as long as possible. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're going to try this. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and to give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.